What's up, guys? Are you looking to get a little bit of breeze through the cab but also have the protection of a windshield? Well, SuperATV has you covered with our half windshield, and today we're going to be installing it on this Kawasaki Mule Pro-FXT. So let's get right to it. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and remove all the contents from your packaging from SuperATV. You're going to get the half windshield out, lay it up on the machine. Looks like it's going to fit great. So now we're going to go ahead and remove our protective film and start installing our bulb seal. Then we're going to have two different styles of bulb seal. We're going to have our 90 seal here. This is going to be what goes up against the cage. Apply it just like we said with the bulb seal facing towards the inside of the machine or away from the slit. We're going to start right here on this edge, and we're going to go all the way to this point here and then cut off our excess. Just go ahead and get a pair of side cuts or something. Then we'll just want to make sure that we get this bulb seal fully seated. Then what we're going to do is grab our straight seal, and we're going to apply it to the bottom, and we're going to run it all the way across to this point here, and then cut off the excess. Then we're going to go ahead and install the opposite side seal. So your windshield should look just like this at this point. Now it's time to get the windshield installed. We're just going to take it, lay it up on the hood of the machine, get it oriented correctly, make sure it's even on both sides, and then we're going to grab our heavy duty clamps. Open it up just like this. Wrap the strap around the cage. Slide the strap through the windshield and get it lined up with the clamp here. Just feed it through. Then we're going to take our strap, feed it back through the hole, and get our clamp lined up with the notch. We'll just go ahead and fully tighten our strap. Repeat the same steps for the upper strap here. Take it. Right up here, run your strap through your clamp, and just fully tighten it, just like that. And we'll do the same exact thing for the opposite side. And there you have it. That's all there is to it to install SuperATV's half windshield on this Kawasaki Mule Pro-FXT. For more information on this half windshield or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call or check us out online. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.